Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. This is discussion number 8. What are some logical fallacies that we see in media today? Now, one that I see very prominently in American politics is ad hominem attacks. We see a combination of ad hominem, appeal to fear, appeal to pity or sympathy, appeal to popular passions, false dilemmas, disinformation, generalizations, and in some cases, faulty statistics. Now, what does this mean? Now, the faulty statistics is probably the hardest one to catch. Now, the way that that works is, for example, you have a cereal brand that is sponsoring this study. And the study states that kids who eat a filling breakfast of this cereal are 20% more productive, while not showing that the control group is just given water in the morning. They're not given any breakfast. So they're stating that this specific cereal outperforms, it increases productivity by 20% in comparison, the part that they don't show, in comparison to having no breakfast. Well, yeah, obviously, you're going to perform better if against someone who hasn't had any breakfast versus eating filling garbage. It doesn't matter if it's good for you or not, as long as it fills, then yeah, you're going to perform a little bit better than someone who doesn't eat breakfast in the morning. Besides the point, there's many more attacks of logical fallacies, ad hominem attacks, dilemmas, stuff like that. For example, if you don't support this, you are an extremist. Or if you vote red, you are a right wing extremist and you're racist and homophobic and XYZ. That's not necessarily the case. The two are not intermingled, they're completely separate, but they're making these arguments that they are, in fact, intertwined. Now, you could say the same thing in reverse. Like, if you vote blue, you're a part of the LGBT. I don't remember the rest of the letters. You probably live in a big city and XYZ. They, it's a big generalization, and it can't be confused with these things are separate. People need to understand that when you generalize things, you're undermining the actual message behind what you're trying to present. If you're saying, "Oh, well, my opponent is this, that, and the other, and this person is a terrible person," I don't know. I mean, I got nothing against them, but I heard that so and so does this that's morally less acceptable. It's an attack. It is a logical fallacy, and once you understand them and know them, you will be very surprised how often you will see them in politics, in business, in media. You will see them everywhere you go. And when you see them, just know, just just know. You understand what the problem is. You understand that that is a logical fallacy, and you're most likely not going to be able to have a debate or argument with that person, because at the end of the day, someone who relies on logical fallacies will not be able to see logic. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. And if there's any comments, questions, concerns, please post a comment. I don't know why I'm saying